dazu.
Okay. Hey guys! We got some taco of the bell today.
It's a long line.
So I got the blue raspberry freeze.
I got the wild strawberry. Bitch, wait your turn.
I'm ready.
Fiesta potatoes, that's mine,
Why is
bitch.
it so small? What is in it?
It's Fiesta
Why is
potatoes.
it so fucking hot? Holy shit. We have
Fiesta potatoes.
some pepper spray just in case somebody comes to eat.
Whose one is this?
Shit, it's fucking hot.
Fine.
If you only can eat one, it's okay. I'll eat the other one. April, why are there like 4 tacos? How much did you get that?
So I got the Crunchwrap Supreme.
I was a fatty and I got like 2
Just
other
5 items.
potatoes. Soft taco potatoes.
Look at that.
Okay, cheers.
I don't know what to eat first.
Christine, you have a whole buffet. More.
Spicy potatoes.
We drove an hour to Hilo to pick up this bitch.
Yeah, the one in the special feels
Why are
special.
you like green? Oh, this.
The light.
Oh.
We're in a McDonald's drive-through
I
parking
like
lot.
it, Mom.
That man is watching you.
I'm beautiful. Literally everything's going in the bag. April!
It's literally like it's all coming off.
I know.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
You fat bitch.
Cheers! So what time does McDonald's close? Oh my god, a McFlurry!
Same car right there. No, it's
The
kidding.
card.
Boys, oh my god, this place. Bitch, we were moaning. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're so dumb.
Everybody's worrying about boys and I'm thinking about my food. Do you want dessert? April, this is not a dessert.
I put my fucking seatbelt on with my jacket.
Because he's stupid.
Levels of sound hit 90. It tracks if things are too loud for you.
Damn.
Hi, do you guys have McFlurries?
Yeah, I want
Oh, what kind do you guys have?
Oreo M&M or caramel brownie.
Oreo
All
M&M.
3. Can we get one of each?
That should be all.
Thank you.
We're such fat bitches.
No, I am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Is this the one way? I'm gonna go on the next one. Oh shit, there's a bump here.
Don't go over it.
Oh my god.
Yes.
We're gonna park where I wanted to park.
Where?
Down.
Dark.
So where am I going?
What are we doing?
Should we go
I
back up there?
told you.
Why?
Do you see how dead this is?
Oh shit,
Do you
that's
want
the
to
one,
get?
that's the one way.
Just don't run over anything.
What are we gonna do?
We
Turning around, April.
Watch out the car.
Can you catch up?
So we got ice cream because we want a cream. Caramel brownie.
This is the M&M McFlurry.
Oreo.
And this is the caramel.
This caramel one low-key looks bomb.
Bacon.
I haven't had a
You're shaking
McFlurry
your
in so long.
You should have that on your.
April, you bee. You creamed on my thing. Wait, let me spill this tea. No, I'm literally. There's green tea.
I think you're.
I'm spilling the tea. Literally.
You're so funny.
Basically bee.
I forgot.
You can get.
If it's them.
It's
Oh, there's a car next to them.
No.
April, stop looking.
Can you
I'm going.
This
We just get out of it.
They're spitting everywhere.
Yeah.
Could you stop spewing about it? You laugh.
She's like,
Are you okay? I think we need to go.
Yeah,
I think we need to leave.
I think they did that on
Out of all
purpose.
the places.
looking at
April,
us,
then
though.
stop
The
looking.
thing is down.
Can we go, please?
Yeah, just go. You're the driver.
Wait, is the lights on?
Dun, dun,
Can you turn it on?
Oh my god, we almost died here.
The lights were on. Car battery could have died. Died.
Yo, he's
Right, bro. I wouldn't talk. You've been spitting all night, you bitch. In my face.
Lay back.
I've
You
never
don't
heard
have to
something
actually go back.
Wait. There's a straw in here. Who the fuck? Oh my god! Ah, the gas pedal.
What happened?
You're spitting. You're creaming all over your mouth.
Look here. You're making me cry. You're irritated. Are you
We're
okay?
going. Oh my god.
Use my pad.
I need a napkin. I need a napkin.
Right there.
Where?
You're laughing at I.
You're wasting my pad. Put it back.
It was in the corner over there.
Put it back.
My stomach hurts.
Put it back. It's right there.
You're like this. Put it back. You're like, put it back. Like this. Put it back.
I can't. You fucking gave me a pad.
It hurts. I didn't even cry.
You're throwing that out. Wait, where are you going?
Oh, where am I going?
You should have went that.